Is this all cells or just specific types of cells that have the RNA branches?
Yeah. So the cool thing is that every cell does this, but in a little bit of a different way. And just as an example, the paper will actually be out in a couple of days, I think. But we found that there are key proteins, very specific proteins that bind RNA. Their name is an RNA binding protein. It's sort of a very simple name because that's what they do. Those proteins shouldn't be outside of the cell. But we found that cells actually do also put those on the surface in addition to some RNA. And we looked across a bunch of cells, and cells are always doing this. There's a little bit of RNA, a little bit of RNA binding proteins, they're near each other. But the crazy thing was that which RBP, which RNA binding protein, matters for your cell state. So if you look at a healthy cell, you might have the RBP1 and 2. But if you look at a cancer cell, RBP6 is really, really high. That's a fantastic observation for cancer because what that means is that's a marker, very specific. So what we were finding is that all cells are doing this biology. They're bringing RNA to the surface. They're using it for some role. But which ones and how much? Very, very cell type specific. Very, very cell state specific.